How to use ChatGPT on your mobile phone. First thing you want to do is open your mobile web browser. Then type chat.openai.com and you will be directed to this page. If you don't have an account yet, you can click sign up and register an account. For me, I have an account already, so I just go to log in. You can also sign up using your Google accounts. It will be easier and faster. Now, once you've signed up or logged in, you have this page, the new chat page. Now you can start typing or asking ChatGPT a question. Let's try to ask a question. So there you go. ChatGPT now answers the question I asked. You can do this with an iOS or Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy.